Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your EVS teacher and today we are going to start our fourth chapter, houses we live in. Okay, so we will do the reading of this chapter. All of us need a house to live in. Okay, we all to live. A house, why we need a house? Because a house protects us from harsh weather. What is a harsh weather? Very heat, cold, rain and thunderstorm. These are harsh weather. A house protects us from these harsh weathers and protect us from wild animals and protect us from the thieves and dacoits. These are the different type of houses. This is a house made of straw. This is a stilt house. This is a pakka house. This is a caravans, and this is houses made of bamboo. Now we will study about types of houses. We find different type. They make different houses at different places. The type of houses depend on two factors, because there are two factors on which the types of houses depend. They are locally available materials. The first one is availability of material, and the second one is climatic conditions of a place. Okay, if the climate of the place is very hot or rainy, then the houses will be different. Generally, houses are of two types. Pakka house and kacha house. Pakka house are strong houses. Look, it is a pakka house. They are made up of wood, bricks, cement, iron, rods and steel. So these are the material used in making a pakka house. Flats and bungalows are pakka houses. So these are two examples of pakka houses, flats and bungalows. Such houses are called permanent houses. We also call a pakka house permanent house. Next one is kacha house. Okay, a pakka wood, mud, straw and dry leaves. These are the material used in making a kacha house. A hut is a kacha house. So hut is an example of a kacha house. This is a hut and this is a kacha house. People in village generally live in kacha houses. Okay, where can we find these kacha houses? We can find these kacha houses in villages. These houses are temporary houses. We also call them temporary houses. Some people live at one place for a very short time. They build different types of houses that can be moved from one place to another. Look at this. This is a house on wheel. Okay, caravan. Gypsies live in houses on wheels called caravans. These can be moved from one place to another. Okay, so these are the houses which can move from one place to another. Tent. Some people live at one place for a very short time. They live in tents. This is a tent, a makeshift house. We also call it shift house because we can shift it from one place to another. A house made of canvas is a tent. Okay, this is made up of canvas. Canvas is a type of cloth. Many soldiers live in tents in their camp. Okay, so many soldiers live in this. Next one is houseboat. You can see in this picture, this is a boat and a house is made on it. A houseboat is a floating house made up of wood. In Kashmir, many people live in houseboats. Where we can find this houseboat, we can find it in Kashmir. Next one is igloo. This is a igloo made up of ice blocks. A house made of snow or ice blocks is called an igloo. Eskimos live in igloos in Iceland. It keeps them warm. This is a house made up of ice. We call it igloo. Who lives in this? Eskimos live in this. It keeps them warm. Stilt house. Next is stilt house. These kind of house are found where it rains heavily, where we can find the look here a lot of water is locked, and water is locked always. People of such areas make wooden houses on stilt with bamboo. These houses are found in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, where we can find in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Did you know an igloo made with packs of ice is a temporary house? Long ago, most people lived in these ice igloos. Okay, these are temporary houses. Igloos are temporary houses. Materials needed to build a house. What material needs to make up of brick, cement, and steel? Wood and glasses are used to make doors and windows. What type of houses these are? These are pakka houses. And houses in villages are made up of straw, wood, mud and stones. These days some villages also have pakka houses. You know, these days if you visited a village, then you must have seen that now many pakka houses are built in villages also. Different roof of houses. In many different houses there are many type of roofs. Houses on hills have sloping roofs. What type of roof it is? It is a sloping roof. It is like this. This is a sloping roof. Why this is made of sloping roof? Because when snow will come, it will slide like this from the roof. It will not pile it up. People living in areas where it rains a lot make houses on stilts with sloping roofs. Okay, in rainy areas, people also made sloping roofs. People living in plains usually make houses with flat roofs. In plain areas, people use flat roofs. How can we define a good house? A good house should have plenty of fresh air and sunshine. Okay. A good house should have trees nearby. A good house should be neat and clean. A good house should have proper drainage system. Trees. Here you have to write the material used in the houses made around you. Did you know a skyscraper is a tall building? Okay, a tall building is called skyscraper with the multiple floors, which have multiple floors. It may be 10, it may be 20, it may be 15. There are 10 million bricks in Empire State Building. Now you have to learn these keywords and things to remember. Here our chapter completes. Thank you for watching this video.